Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 50i, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. There we go. And once it opens up, I'm gonna scroll all the way down to System. Next, you wanna select from the bottom right here, reset phone, and then erase all data. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process right here. Now the most important things listed here will be things like music, photos, and user data. If you have anything of that sort that you'd like to preserve, make a copy of it before you go any further. Now, with that in mind, assuming you have already created a backup or you maybe just don't want to, you can select erase all data, and then do that once more on here. And this will now begin factory resetting your device. Now there's a chance that when you press it the first time, before you can confirm it the second time, you will need to first confirm your screen lock. If you have that, then obviously use your screen lock and then select erase all data, and this will at that point begin factory resetting your phone. Now once it does so, this process will take about 2 minutes, 3 minutes give or take, and once it's finished we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.